Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1970 Custom Plymouth Road Runner. This casting is by Hot Wheels, part of their premium, and is from Fast and Furious movies. Does look like a good casting, so let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Custom Plymouth Road Runner out of its box. And if you don't know, Hot Wheels Premium, as the name suggests, are premium casting. Then the main lines, they do come with some details which you don't see on main lines, like metal base, rubber tires, custom wheels, more details, and a nicer paint job. So you don't really see those on, well, you don't see all those on mainline, even on Silver Series. So let's focus back on the casting. So this one is from Fast and Furious movies, so the paint, wheels are based on that particular car, not on the standard car. Now let's start from the front. So in the front you've got some nice details. As you can see, you've got detailed grille, painted headlamps, chrome bumper, fog lamps, which looks good. You also got this silver trim around the front end. It looks good. Does have this blanked out hood with this hood scoop. The rest of the car is orange, which looks good. You also got this silver trim or chrome trim on the windscreen, and these I think are for hood latches, I guess. No windows, no mirrors or windshield wipers here though, because I think it might have been based on an older casting, which let's check. It says 2025, so I don't know why they did that. It's usually older Hot Wheels custom didn't have mirrors, newer ones do. I don't know why they missed it. Let's move to the driver's side though. So on the driver's side, you can again see some great details. You can see the painted door handle. Again, the trim goes around the window. Wheels, which look really nice. And you do get rubber tires, tread on them. You also have this small air intake here. I don't know why. I don't think these were engine. On the side, you can also see the badge on the hood. Actually, on the scoop, I don't know. It says 430 or 440. I'm not sure. But mostly, it was the engine size, cubic inches. There's no window on the side. It's a two-door. You can see the interior just finished in black. Now coming to the rear, again good details here. You can see you've got painted tail lamps. You got exhaust at the bottom, chrome bumper, and again the trim around the rear window, which looks nice. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical as the driver's side, and this is how it looks from the top. I'm not sure where the fuel filler was on Roadrunner. Was it here? If you know, please let me know. I'm not sure. And this is how it looks from the bottom. So overall, it looks like a nice casting. I would have loved it if it had mirrors and windshield wipers, but even without that, it is a nicely detailed casting, and it's part of a Fast and Furious set, so always good to have some nice movie cars. Yeah, that's all from my side. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.